So now come to next question of the phase 6 definite integration. Exercise 1, question number 7. So first, definitely x is there, trigonometric function is there. So there is only one method. I will apply the King's rule. That means a plus b minus x property, 0 to pi. A plus b is pi, pi minus x upon 1 plus sine square pi minus x dx. So this will be 0 to pi, pi upon 1 plus sine square x minus 0 to pi, split from here, x upon 1 plus sine square x. This and this is same, so I will transfer this also I. So transfer this side I. This is also I. So it will become 2i. So 2i is equal to pi times 0 to pi dx upon 1 plus sine square x. Now here you can apply that 0 to 2a, that property I'm writing here, 0 to 2a fx into 2 times 0 to a fx if f of 2a minus x is equal to fx. This property we can apply here. In this, limit becomes half. So when I write here, 2a is pi and sine pi minus x will be sine pi minus x. So I can write this as 2 times of limit will be half, pi by 2 by that property, dx upon 1 plus sine square x, 2i. So this 2 will cancel. Now, this is same question, dx upon a plus b sine square x. What you will do? Divide by cos square x, both numerator and denominator. So this will be pi 0 to pi by 2 sec square x upon sec square x plus tan square x. This sec square x I can write 1 plus tan square x when I am dividing by cos square x. So it will become 2 tan square x. So you can take this outside, pi upon 2, 0 to pi by 2 sec square x upon tan square x plus 1 upon under root 2 whole square. Take tan x is equal to t, sec square x dx is dt. So can I write directly this is answer now? Tan x is equal to t. What do we have to do? Tan x is equal to t. So this will be pi by 2, 0 to infinity dt upon t square plus 1 upon under root 2 square. This. So this will be pi by 2, 1 upon a under root 2 tan inverse x upon a under root 0 to infinity. So this will be pi upon under root 2. When you put infinity, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. And minus lower limit will be 0. So this answer will be I will be pi square by 2 root 2. So this I is equal to pi square by 2 root 2. That will be the answer. Thank you.